I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group, reporting to you on the grain market. Soybeans were a little bit higher today. Some continued buying added to yesterday's gains. Thank goodness, is really offering some decent support. We're back up above that 940 level. That's been a major support level really for the past number of months. We know that Informa came out and really raised the crop estimates somewhat from last month. You would have thought that that would have put more pressure on the market. So I think that bodes well for the market to get up. And it's set to finish the week much higher, which I think has farmers really positive going into the holiday weekend. Corn was a little bit lower, but it did start higher. It actually swung up all last night, but some selling came in, and profit takers, I think, kind of put a lid on the market somewhat, and as well as it seems to be pressured a little bit lower on also Informa raising that crop estimate as well from 169 from 165. So that's pretty decent. It certainly seems that the demand still is strong, so you would think that that's going to hold the market up. Now, we definitely have to watch out for what's happening in Texas. I think that everyone's concerned about, is the hurricane affecting the grain market? And it actually is. The transportation has really been halted for the catastrophic flooding, really taking out a lot of the rail areas. Interestingly enough, a lot of the grain elevators haven't been as affected as much, but we can't really get that grain out for any exports at this point right now, and really not sure when it's going to open up. So possibly there's going to be some more effect later on coming next week. Wheat also is rising. Technically it was in an oversold situation, but small gains over the last 4 days really offered some relief to the sagging markets over the last number of weeks. So thank goodness for that. We did find some support. We're really expecting it's possible that we could get a bounce here, really in the corn and the wheat, just from technical buying. But, there still is concern that the harvest is going to be bigger than we expected as the numbers start to come in. Remember that we planted late, so the numbers are going to come out a little bit later. So that's going to be a number of weeks away. So we have plenty of things to watch out for right now, but certainly there's plenty of volatility still in the market to come. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. I'm Virginia McGathey.